Hello everyone, I'm Xiaoqing from Susan's family. Today, I bring you the key points of the French-style turtleneck sweater knitting method. For this electronic tutorial, you can search for susud.com on the website to view it. The demonstration process uses small samples throughout. Only the techniques are demonstrated. Here, I will explain the method for rows 2-5 of the hem. Start by referring to the chart to cast on and knit the first round. The first round is knitted in single rib stitch. I have already completed this part. Now, let's start with the second round. We need to knit using the Albanian stitch. Begin by knitting 1 yarn over. Then make 1 KSL. Followed by 1 purl stitch. Note that you need to bring the yarn over here. You can see that the loops of the first 2 stitches cross like this. Continue repeating the method of the previous 3 stitches. Complete this round. Start with 1 yarn over, 1 KSL, 1 purl stitch. After completing, move on to the third round. Begin with a SPO. The stitch pattern here is a bit special. First, in the manner of a knit stitch. Pick up the loop from the previous yarn over without knitting it. Then knit 1 stitch. Then pick up the loop that was skipped. And pull it over the stitch on the left side, and off the hook. This completes the special SPO. Next, purl 1 stitch. Then continue with another special SPO. After completing it, purl 1 stitch. Repeat the pattern of SPO and purl stitch. Complete this round. After finishing, move on to the fourth round. The method is identical to the second round. Let's complete it. Next, we will work on the fifth round. We need to knit the K2 tog. The technique here is also special. Start with the loop on the yarn over, which is the first loop on the left needle. Slip this loop off first. Then, from the left side of the loop, pick up the yarn from bottom to top. And insert it into the loop on the left needle. Knit 1 stitch. Slip the loop off the left needle. This completes the special K2 tog. Then purl 1 stitch. After that, work the special K2 tog again. Start by slipping the loop off the yarn over. Then pick up the yarn from the left side. Insert it into the loop. Knit 1 stitch. Followed by purling 1 stitch. Continue this method to complete the rest of the round. After completing, just repeat the method for rounds 2-5. Keep going until you finish the required number of rounds. At this point, the explanation for rounds 2-5 of the hem is complete. Up to this point, the detailed explanation of the challenging parts of the entire garment has concluded. If you have any questions during the process, don't hesitate to reach us via our website. Susan's Family, supporting your handwork experience, sharing the joy of life. Thank you all for watching. See you in the next episode.